Again, my name is Cindy. My mentor is Travis Witt at the USDA ARS Grazing Lands Research Laboratory in El Reno, geography major and GIS focus. And I'm doing remote sensing for precision agriculture. The hypothesis for my study is that object-based image analysis can predict end-of-year forage yield up to 15 weeks in advance. And we picked a peanut crop because that is something my mentor has been working on. This is its third year working with a peanut crop and using remote sensing technology, but my mentor is open to using the plant species that the RAIN project is more focused on. So for methodology, the site setting, as I mentioned before, is the Grazing Lands Research Laboratory in El Reno, Oklahoma. It's in the south central region of the United States. And the peanuts are planted in a small plot of about 25 feet in length, 5 feet in width, and less than a foot in between rows. The location in general lies in the Great Plains region of the United States. The climate is humid subtropical to semi-arid. 10 peanut genotypes will be cultivated. The peanuts represent 4 market types, which is Spanish, Virginia, Runner, and Valencia. For data acquisition, you can see that we will be using the DJI Matrice 100. It's an unmanned aerial system, which would be our drone. The MikaSense Red Edge sensor and the GS Pro flight planning software. The MikaSense Red Edge sensor captures a red edge band that's in the light spectrum, similar to what another RU student mentioned, that would detect plant stress. And plant stress in the peanut plants. And the GS Pro flight planning software is an app that will be programmed to fly in a lawnmower pattern. The remote sensing activity will take place at the end of this month in June. And the drone is shared by a professor at Oklahoma State University. For data analysis, you see that we will use Agisoft and ArcGIS. Agisoft processes images into spatial data, and the ArcGIS Pro will be used to conduct object-based image analysis. Object-based image analysis enables me to convert plants in an image to be their own objects, which will then have their own spatial properties that can enable it to be further analyzed. And this is just the acknowledgement slide. That is my mentor, Travis Witt, and that is the peanuts when we planted them that day.